In this quick guide, you'll learn how to create an invoice on Bill.com. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a larger organization, invoicing is a crucial part of managing your finances. Bill.com simplifies this process, making it easy to create and send invoices to your customers. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can get started quickly and efficiently. First, let's begin by navigating to the right place within Bill.com. When you log in, look at the left-hand navigation sidebar menu. This is where all the action happens. You'll see various options that help manage your billing and payment processes. For this task, you want to focus on the Invoices tab. Click on it to open up the invoicing workspace. Once you're on the Invoices page, it's time to create a new invoice. Look towards the top right section of the screen and you'll notice a blue button labeled Create Invoice. Go ahead and click this button. It's your gateway to generating a new invoice for your customer. This action will bring up a new window where you'll input all the necessary details for your invoice. Now that you have the invoice template open, the next step is to select your customer and set the invoice rules. Start by choosing the customer you're billing from the drop-down menu provided. Bill.com will automatically populate the customer's information, saving you time and reducing the chance of errors. If your customer isn't already in the system, you can add them quickly by entering their details. Once you've selected your customer, it's important to set your invoice rules. These rules can include payment terms and any specific billing instructions you want to communicate. Take a moment to review these options and ensure they align with your business policies and agreements with your customer. Next, you'll add itemized billing details. This is where you specify the products or services you're invoicing for. For each item, enter a description, quantity, and price. Bill.com will automatically calculate the total for each line item, as well as the subtotal for the entire invoice. This feature ensures that everything adds up correctly and gives your customer a clear breakdown of what they're paying for. Once you have completed the itemized section, review the entire invoice for accuracy. Double-check the customer information, invoice rules, and all itemized billing details. Ensuring everything is correct at this stage will save you time and potential complications later on. After verifying all the details, you're ready to send the invoice. Bill.com makes this easy by allowing you to send the invoice directly from the platform. Simply click the Send button, and your invoice will be on its way to your customer. The system also allows you to track when your invoice has been viewed and paid, giving you peace of mind and helping you stay on top of your accounts receivable. And there you have it. Creating an invoice on Bill.com is straightforward once you know where to click and what information to enter. This simple guide has shown you how to navigate the system, create an invoice, and send it off with confidence. By following these steps, you can streamline your invoicing process and focus more on what you do best running your business. Thank you for watching and happy invoicing.